Hi, I'm Juliet Migwi. I'm back with yet another video and we're going to make a resin tray. You can use this tray in the kitchen for your doves or to display your, let's say, salt and pepper, to display your pastries, because I use food friendly resin. You can use it as a trinket tray, let's say, to put your perfumes in your bedroom or in your bathrooms, or for keys on an entry console. Anything you can use it for. So for this, we're going to use this very lovely mold. It has like an ocean theme surface. We're going to use iridescent white mica powder very lightly, and we're going to use gold leaf. And to see how I've used this to customize a kitchen paper towel holder, please check the card above on that video. And as we go along, if you like what you see, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos. And to see maybe like how I would use this in different formats or what a client thinks about it, please follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Juliet Migwi Inspires. And I also have more other versions of trays, trinket trays made out of resin. Check the card above on the resin playlist. So let's continue. I'm going to wear my mask, mix my resin, and then I show you the process. This is a very quick one. Let's demold this. Look at that. I love it, and you can have this in so many different colors. I really love this 3D effect. And remember, you can make it as, if you want it thicker, you can make it, fill it deeper with resin. But I love it. I love that 3D effect. I love how the gold leaf, because I didn't want it full covered, but you can have it full covered, but I wanted this so that when you see in my styling, you will see just a little contrast. I hope you'll subscribe so that you don't miss out on such videos. Stay to see how I will style this. God bless you. Barakatala. See you on my next video.